We're about to take summer flavors to a whole new level. Forget the peach cobbler and get ready for peach pizza.
You dropped this.
There's only one thing easier than making this pizza, and that's hitting subscribe so you don't miss any great videos. You can make great memories sharing a meal together, but you won't want to share this meal with anyone. First, tomatoes. Let's make this quick and easy. Put your cherry tomatoes between 2 plates or takeout lids and slice them all at the same time. Boom. Now get the peaches ready for the grill. Slice them first before grilling so they get all those fancy grill marks you see on food videos. You haven't eaten peaches until you've eaten grilled peaches. Throw a few extra on the grill while you're there and put some ice cream on top. Ah, life's a peach. You don't have a pizza oven ready to go? Who does? You can totally put the dough in a regular oven or go wild and grill it. Trust us, it'll be great. Ingredients assemble! Add all the delicious toppings. Then into the griller oven until the mozzarella melts and becomes, technically speaking, ooey gooey. Ooh, look at this. Top with prosciutto and basil if you want to. And trust me, you'll want to. Voila, an incredible summer meal ready to go. Do you want more delicious recipes you can make? Hit that subscribe button.
You dropped this.